Hello everyone, and welcome to the webinar. So hope you guys have taken those trades that I have been sharing with you now for the couple of weeks. We've been discussing all the time about the yen pairs, so I really hope that everyone grab the opportunity and take those trades. They are wonderful, but if you didn't take it, you still didn't miss nothing. Okay, there still will be the setup and you will still have a chance to enter the market. Okay, so no worries, just put your focus where I will show you right now. Okay, so we've been selling a couple of trades in the morning in the academy. Okay, we are watching trades closely since morning. So if you would love to join our team, our academy, then feel free to join us. You just have to go to the website trademaster.eu, find the membership that fits with you, and I will add you to our community. I will give you the access to all the trading materials, and of course I will fully support you on your way, or if you have any questions. So just to introduce myself first, many of you probably don't know me. There are a lot of new traders coming on those webinars, so that's great. So I'm Christian. I've been trading for 10 years and been there now active for last 5 years on TradingView. So I'm having my own academy. You already know, building the hedge fund will be probably fully started in the next year. And can you provide the website link to? That's the old website. That's the old website. New website. Let me just type it over there in the chat. Okay, here's the link I posted in TradingView chat. The website, because what you have posted of the Master of the Academy, that was the old website. That's 3 years old probably. So go to this new one, brand new one, and you will find the membership over there. So let me share with you the best setups, the best knowledge as I can, as I always do. Okay, so my point of those webinars is to spread with you the most knowledge as I can. So immediately apply that knowledge and you will see the results. Okay, listen carefully and apply immediately the knowledge which I'm sharing there with you. If you're first time there, feel free to go watch the previous recordings are uploaded on TradingView and YouTube, so feel free to watch them. You will definitely learn something new, because everyone who go watch the webinar previous recordings, he learns. Okay, so I bet that you will do as well. So let me show you now the setups which we trade and what you still have to watch. Okay, so your USD went down already, so no worries, price will still correct. Okay, we still have a correction in the making over there. Oh, sorry. The correction will still be over there in the making, so this is what we are anticipating over there. So no worries if you didn't grab the opportunity over there. We did. Okay, because we watch inside of the academy, we watched that closely, we took that opportunity, and we are now in the trade already. Now we will wait and see how this develops, definitely, and we will add more trades, or we can as well take profits as well, because we need something like we had over there. Okay, exactly similar correction, not exactly, but that big. Okay, this 4-hour correction. Okay, so MM is saying, hi Master, now the information announcement about your live stream arrived perfectly a few minutes before the start of the webinar. Thank you. Oh, thank you very much for the information. Yeah, I just changed some settings on YouTube, so that was the problem probably before. So hope this fixes everything now and will work perfectly. Very good. Thank you very much, Queendesk, for the feedback. So back to trading. If you guys don't know something, just stop me and I will tell you what to do and what is not clear. So if you didn't catch it, you will still have this correction next week. This will be developing whole next week, probably on Wednesday, Thursday this will be completed, and then Friday we'll be selling the EURUSD more. Okay, so you'll have to be patient once this correction will be developing over there. Pound USD, there was as well the correction. Okay, same, all dollar pairs has these corrections. Why? What was the reason? Dollar was the reason. Okay, dollar was clearly and nicely showing a nice correction over there for more upside. So what the price will do, it will still correct and still go up. I'm expecting to tag the previous high. These are our expectations, and we will be still buying dollar because it will go higher. I don't see any other signs for downside, at least not yet. Okay, so we'll be saying something like this will appear probably there. It can easily appear, and then it will go up, similar what we are anticipating on your USD. Okay, so just be patient and don't jump in, and keep in mind that you didn't miss anything. You didn't miss anything, you just missed the first attempt. Okay, first attempt is what you just missed, and that's nothing. You will have a lot of corrections. Look at that one. Okay, so there are a lot of higher time, lower time frame corrections, so you should not be worried on the way to the downside. Do you have anything on Brent oil? No, not yet. I even didn't watch it, if I'm honest with you. So let me just see what is happening with the oil, UK oil, and so on. Yeah, it's going up. Still didn't build any positions. Okay, but we'll definitely watch for this correction, and if do so, then yes, I will be buying. Why I will be buying? Because I'm anticipating that the oil will go up. These are my expectations over there. To go all the way back to 150 or 140, something like this is what I'm anticipating, and then the price will go lower from those prices. So definitely for everyone, for all the followers, all the subscribers, keep on watching for buy stops on oil. Oil is going to the upside. There's no any question. US and UK oil, both of them will go higher. You just have to wait for the correction. Okay, so let it correct first over there, and then you take the trade. Okay, don't just jump in, because this has to pull back. It can go even for the bigger correction. It can be even more complicated, something like flat and then go higher. So don't rush. You didn't miss anything. Just watch it patiently every day. See how it develops, see where you can enter, how you will enter, and so on. Pound USD. So this is what we took. The sell over there was the double confirmation, so it went lower. This was the lower time frame corrections over there. So if you grab, wonderful. There was a nice way to downside. So what the price can do, it can still correct and another leg lower. If do so, and if it's stopped by the trend line, be aware there to be another leg higher, and then it will go lower. Or this one should break down from there where it is right now. So we just have to see what this correction is about to do, how it develops, and so on. So just monitor it. AUD AUD will go lower, definitely. There was one sell correction, you should be selling it from there. It did an amazing job pushing lower. So what you can do now, let's see how the price will do over there. If it corrects, sell more. Definitely it should, as all dollar pairs are showing. Okay, what I have shown you there on the dollar, all dollar pairs need this. Okay, all dollar pairs need this kind of correction, at least something like this. Okay, at least this is the minimum what we will have to, this is the minimum what we will need to have. So stay patient and wait for this kind of correction. Aussie yen as well. Okay, so wait for small correction, lower time frame, go for the sell. Okay, there are still a lot of sells setting up over there, so make sure you grab this opportunity. Okay, so I think I've been sharing this setup from there and then there. We were there on those webinars. Okay, so check all the dates. If you're first time there, check the dates and you will see how price went lower. So you are again there on the perfect time. This is the confirmation and relationship to this impulse. We are going nicely to the downside. So make sure you don't miss the movement. There will be a lot of corrections on lower time frame and the price will be keep pushing lower. Just track your lower time frame. Price is about to go lower. New Zealand yen as well. Okay, so look at that one. It develops a very nice corrective structure over there. Now this has to correct or let it break and correct under the trend line and then keep on pushing lower. So keep on selling it. Okay, let me just correct this trend line a little bit. Yep, like this would be fine. And what we'll be doing, we will be waiting for break now, correct, and keep selling. keep selling, keep selling, keep adding sales. Okay, so we have to build some sell positions right now from the spot where it is right now. Chief yen is dropping lower, dropping through that structure. Okay, this was the 1 2 3 corrective structure from Marcel. So what the price can do, it can correct over there and still has to drop. Something like this, it's a must. Okay, this is a must. We need to have this kind of the correction, and then the price will continuously pushing lower. So no worries, you should not be worried. That should be keep going lower. Okay, let the correction form, so you didn't miss anything. You just have to be focused over there and watch it, watch the development, so monitor it. CAD, wonderful job as well over there. Okay, we've been trading it from there. Okay, in the academy we took trades from there, from the top, and we've been selling it, and we will be keep selling it. You should do as well. If you missed it, there was a couple of sells, and there it will be still one more correction and then more downside. It could be a little bit bigger one, or it could be a deeper pullback as well. This to complete a running flat and then push more lower. Which one? Don't know yet. Okay, we just have to track it. For now, let it form a flag and keep selling, keep selling. Okay, so I'm anticipating this to go nicely back to that trend line. Daily, it's showing a nice potential, so make sure you will grab the opportunity and you will go for this sell. It's really wonderful trade, so it would be really bad if you missed it. Okay, so what you have to do, wait for the correction like this, wait for the correction like this. So what I have to do, wait for the correction like this, like this, like this, like this. Where exactly, you don't need to know. Okay, once it will be in the making, you know what the price is doing and what you should do. Okay, but now on those running candles, don't chase the market. It's not worth of it, because what could happen if you sell, the price will go something like this. What else? Okay, so what else are people doing? They will put some sell limits over there. What the price will do, it will go up, open your trade, and you have a drawdown for nothing. Okay, so don't do stuff like this. Patiently wait for the correction. It cannot develop in 1 hour. You still have a chance. You still have the time to manage to get into the trade. So make sure you don't rush. Don't make a rush decisions. It's not needed. Chart doesn't move that fast. Okay, setups needs few hours to develop. At least 8 hours is what you can wait for the correction, and then you will be trading. Okay, we've been predicting those yen pairs movement into 2 hours. I think we have missed. Okay, on Tuesday I said 24 hours we still have left inside of the academy, and then it start moves I think in 26 hours, so it was so close. You can always predict the timing when the market will start to move if you see the correction is in the making. So correction is very important. Once the correction will be in the making, you will know what the price will do and how it will do and so on. Euro yen, same there. Okay, they are still at the top. If you watch the daily structures, they are still at the top, and we have to come lower. Okay, that's a must. Okay, I'm showing you very nice and good potential trades. You can make a lot of money over there. So if you have a, I don't know, small account, you can make 5k or 10k really easily over there. So make sure you are focused enough. Make sure you know what are you doing, because those setups are more than amazing. Okay, so grab that focus, put it on your radar, put it on your watch list, and track it every day. It's really worth of it. Okay, you don't need to trade, just track it. Once it will be ready, you will see. Okay, the chart will always tell you when it's ready. You just have to wait for this correction to complete itself, and then you will get in. After this correction will be completed. So don't push the market. Don't try to be in the market before correction appears and so on. Okay, sometimes patience is the biggest problem that people are having, especially if you are new to the trading. Don't push the market, right? So this could correct and keep on pushing lower. Correction will appear as well over there. If it doesn't appear, what the price can do, can go for another leg higher. Yes, it can, but I don't see this movement. Okay, I really don't see this movement. I will close all trades on break even if do so. Okay, but what it could do, I think that it will be the correction or a little bit bigger correction, then still has to come down. Pound yen, same there. You see, the 50% of them are having the same setups. Euro USD had this one, Pound USD have this one, Oz USD have this setup, the same setup. Then Pound yen having these pullbacks. So almost every second one is having this kind of the pullback. They are happening quite often, and you have to understand those pullback. You have to understand those corrections. These are the lower time frame correction, 15-minute correction. So make sure you understand them really well. There is always one coming. So what the price will do, you can expect another one as well over there. So wait for this one. Okay, this is what I want everyone from you will take. And of course, there's the Euro GBP. I really think that Euro GBP will go down. There's a nice corrective structure, and this has to start pushing lower. So keep your eyes over there as well and grab the opportunity, right? It's a very good chart, very nice potential to be made. So this flag and correction is developing so nice. It will be really bad if you miss it. So don't miss it. I know that sometimes it's really hard to hold the focus, but it's worth of it. Okay, these are all the chart we are watching, and we will still keep an eye on them. What I want from you, that you will still grab the opportunities from this. Okay, so look at that one. There's something already in the making. Once this will be completed, take the sell. Okay, take the sell. Let me just go to the lower time frame. See this one, see how it develops, and go for it, right? It could struggle a couple more hours, and then it will start breaking lower over there. Just watch it. This will be probably 15-minute corrections. They always does some of them. Okay, so this was really quick update to remind every one of you, because you should grab that chance. Market is always giving a chance. So let me know who take any ampere, okay? Any ampere or any setup that I have been sharing with you. Let's see how many of you were there and were focused enough and were listening to me, because you are just there and just listening to me. That's not good. You need an action. Okay? Just listening will not bring you the money. You have to start doing something. You have to monitor trades. You have to watch setups that I'm sharing with you. So use the chat. Type in yes, so I will know and I will see who take it. Hope that there will be more than a half of people that will take it. I think I've been sharing those yen setups for very long. I think 2 weeks. 2 weeks we've been discussing about these yen pairs. We've been selling it already from those tops over there. These corrections, all those corrections have been traded, okay? On the webinars, okay? They are the webinars. So if you're first time there, watch the recording. You will see what we were doing. You will learn, definitely. Okay, I can guarantee that you will learn something totally new, totally different, and you will see how the corrections are developing over there. Okay, so he said, I scalped New Zealand yen to the upside and then opened swing short from the recent pick and drop. Okay, so very good. Very good. So keep on holding it. I really do recommend you to hold this trade. This will be very profitable trade. There's a lot of money to be made, so keep going. Very well done job. So the rest of you guys, you know what to do. Okay, so what to do? Wait for the correction, then sell, sell, sell. Okay, so wait for corrections like this. Look at that one. There are so many corrections, it's really hard to miss the trade. Okay, if you know the direction, if you know what are you doing, look at that one. How many sell stops you have over there? There are too many setups over there, and you can't miss them. Okay, you can say that you are not capable of taking at least one. At least one is what you need. This your USD is as well very good chart. Okay, but we can expect the correction over there, definitely. Okay, so this is what I have wrote over there, so you guys know what to do. Correction needed. Next week we'll be correcting probably, so no worries if you didn't take it over there. Okay, this is one benefit being with us in our community. We are discussing about the setup, so it's really hard to miss the setup, right? We are talking and discussing in the community about those setups. I'm keep posting, updating the community, so if you're one of the members, you will always be up to date. Okay, I have as well posted the USD over there for you guys, so if you know what we are doing, if you at least have some knowledge, if you at least grab some knowledge from those webinars which I'm making there for you, doing my best to share as much knowledge as I can, you should have a trade over there. If not, then you will have it, right? You will have it in the next week. Next week you will have it. Potential is very big because your USD has to go down. Okay, we have to see a difficult times in the euro economy. You haven't traded fiat yet, okay? You should start trading it. It's more funny, more money. It's over there, and there's money for every day. For everyday life, the Forex is where you find your money. Where should you start? Depends how much knowledge do you have and so on. I've seen you there really couple of times, so I know that you are having already some basics. You just need a broker. Yeah, okay, I don't know, open one broker. There are a lot of brokers, Saxo Bank or IC Markets or so. I don't know, check one, see if it is regulated, grab the demo and trade at least a month on it, so you will see and get some feeling how to trade and so on, how it moves. This will be for the beginning, but I do recommend you, of course. Okay then. Okay, this went lower. I don't know what's wrong with TradingView. It's not working because Canadian went lower. There is some bug over there. Price is not over there. It's a little bit lower, so very good setups have been shared there with you. Even New Zealand yen as well. Okay, so there was a setup and it's going lower. Okay, very good structures, very good money has been made already over there. Okay, so we've been discussing for this move to the downside. So those who've been following there us for since very long, they should be making money as well over there. Okay, so a lot of charts, really good setups are there. Okay, so I will end the webinar over there. Hope you guys keep your focus on those pairs that I'm sharing there with you. Next time I really do anticipate that you will grab those setups. Queen desk. Find some regulated one. Find a regulated broker. So thank you everyone for being there. If you want to join us, you know what to do. And see you on the next webinar. Take care and enjoy your day.